any experienced fleet manager, what slows trucks down? It isn't always traffic. It's drivers searching for missing chains, looking for binders, or realizing they don't have the right equipment before loading. Your preparation saves time. Every successful haul starts before the engine is running. Whether you're hauling containers or flatbed freight, every securement component needs to work together as one complete system. That's why relying on mismatched equipment or last-minute solutions can slow down operations. Many fleet managers now standardize every truck with complete securement kits, keeping chains, binders, ratchet straps, and accessories organized and ready for every job. The DC Cargo 56-piece flatbed kit provides a complete securement setup designed to help drivers stay prepared for a wide variety of hauling applications. Because better preparation means better productivity. The easiest problem to fix is the one you prevent before the trip starts. Keep your equipment organized. Keep your trucks ready with the DC Cargo 56-piece flatbed kit.